The course contains two sub-ingredients. One is concerned with the critical understanding of the generic domain-wide knowledge across all areas of professional practice. This is from the student handbook. The second concerns students being encouraged to develop and enhance the transferable skills of analysis, synthesis of information, reflection and research. So in a way the course is as much about scholarship as it is about the scholarship of teaching. Where does supervision and research fit then in this development of scholarship at the partnership? One important contextual factor is the change that is about to take place. So that in this sense we're looking at what happens now in year two, but it's also going to be superseded by what happens in year two in the future, and this will have quite important repercussions for the role. If we look at year two now, it's made up of three modules. Module 1 is in semester 1, module 2 is in semester 2, module 3 covers both semesters. At present, the research module is in the last semester. It's called a professional project. It's usually an academic study, and in essence we're talking about 3 months from initial thoughts to finish. In terms of the future, there will be 2 modules, not 3. Both will last throughout the duration of the year, and this is where the significance lies in what is about to take place. The second significant change is that there is a move towards what is called action research rather than just a professional project. There has to be some element of trial and looking at something in the classroom practice rather than just an academic study. It's meant to be a combination of both. The third significant change to the supervision role next year is the class contact situation. At present, year 2 classes meet each week, which is about 30 weeks of the year. At present, there is therefore regular contact with both tutor and peers. Both is seen as useful for the research process from the tutor point of view and from the student point of view. In future, however, mainly due to the cuts that are taking place at the college, year 2 contact is going to be reduced by a good 2/3. Both changes, a year-long study and reduced class tutorial contact time, are going to have an important impact on what has been the supervisory role so far. At present, you could imagine that according to Blackster, we've been taking quite a linear approach, the one on the left, because at present the research study has a short start lifespan. Students decide what they're going to do, they get on with it, and then they finish within a relatively short space of time. In the future, it will move more towards what we see on the right-hand side, what is called a circular or a spiral approach. This, in some ways, makes the job and the role of a supervisor potentially more complex. Students will weave in and out of theory and practice, redefine what it is they're going to do, and the fact that it takes place over a long period of time could mean that the role becomes more complex.